Glue gun, demystified, your handy crafting tool. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, glue gun. Whether you've heard of it in a craft context or are just curious about the term, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding. A glue gun is a handheld tool used to apply melted adhesive. It heats up specially designed sticks of solid adhesive, which melts and can be applied to various surfaces. Once the melted adhesive cools down and solidifies, it binds the surfaces together. This makes it a popular tool for crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and even in some industrial settings. Let's break down the main components. Trigger. This is what you press to release the melted adhesive. When pressed, it pushes the glue stick forward into the heated part of the gun. Heating element. This is where the glue stick is melted. It warms up when the glue gun is turned on. Nozzle. The melted adhesive comes out of this part. It's usually metal and can get very hot, so it's essential to be cautious and avoid touching it. Glue stick chamber. This is where you insert the solid glue sticks. As the gun heats up, these sticks are melted and are ready to be dispensed. Glue guns are versatile tools. Here are some common uses. Crafting. For bonding materials like paper, fabric, or small wooden items. Repairs. Fixing broken household items, like ceramics or toys. Decorations. Making festive ornaments or adding details to costumes. DIY projects. Anything from making a custom photo frame to sealing small gaps in a project. So, there you have it, the glue gun, in all its glory. It's a handy tool for various tasks, especially in the crafting world. We hope this explanation provides clarity and perhaps even inspires you to try a project using one. Happy crafting, and remember, always handle the glue gun with care.